Am I the only one that didn't know search intent is the key to ranking number 1 on Google? Google now prioritizes matching search intent more than ever. A recent study confirms that text relevance, how well your content matches user queries, is the number 1 ranking factor. So, how do you leverage this trend? Step 1. Identify the search intent behind your keywords. Searching iPhone 16 versus Pixel 9. You'll see detailed comparison articles. Users want side-by-side breakdowns. Searching best yoga clothes. Google shows a mix of reviews and product pages. Some users want to buy, others are researching. Step 2. Use tools like Href or Semrush's keyword overview to confirm intent. Look for informational, navigational, commercial, and transactional intents. Step 3. Align your content with intent. Create helpful, relevant pages that answer what searchers need. And keep updating old content to stay relevant, match intent, rank higher, and win more traffic.